A plane is the most multidisciplinary system that exists on Earth. The real challenge is to be able to work all together, because more and more people are turning towards multidisciplinary design, and the platform enables that. So it has a complete multidisciplinary design and gets a result optimized for our needs.
I was working on the propeller size and position while another team was working on the shape of a new landing gear. Actually, we realized thanks to the 3D Experience platform that the gear they were designing was about to cross my propeller, which is impossible. So we were able to spot this mistake very early and put the right constraints on the gear's design.
It's really a question of acceleration. It enables us to do everything faster.
Getting everyone's updates in real time enables us to save time with the integration of the elements. The cloud was immediately obvious, so being able to access my files from everywhere is absolutely essential.
For the preliminary design of the whole plane, taking 9 months to 1 year for such a complex system is really nothing.